Greetings. Our submission to the AIED 2022 interactive event is Blocks Programming in Python and R for learning data science and NLP or machine learning. My name is Andrew Olney. So our event is about this. This is an environment for programming. On the right-hand side is a typical Jupyter notebook. This one is about plotting. And there are cells that are like text cells that notes and things are in, code cells that you can execute, and then output cells like this one. So the way that this works is we have created a blocks plugin interface on the left. You can program using these blocks by going to the menus, finding the blocks you want, dropping them on this palette, and then hitting blocks to code. The block that you are looking at produced the code in the cell immediately to its right, and then we can execute the code as normal. One of the things that's neat about this is that we can use any arbitrary library. So here I've got a block for pandas, the pandas data frame library, and using our software, it will configure this. See where it says waiting for options? It will configure this to allow us to use any function on the pandas library, including read CSV. And that's kind of the magic that makes this work. And then we can hit blocks to code, we can run the cell, and we can read the CSV. Let me switch off to the R language. So we've also done this for R. So here's an example using the dplyr library in R, which is another library that can be used for data science. And here we are running this pipe command where we're piping the data frame into dplyr and we're selecting some columns. So again, I can hit blocks to code and I can execute this and get the output in question. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Thank you.